Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I wanted to give you a quick tip on the correct way for you to convert your leads. The biggest problem for real estate agents is we get all these leads and nobody answers the phone, nobody even opens emails anymore. How in the world do we get these leads converted? So I wanted to give you a quick tip here. Generally what you're getting is like name, phone number, address, and email, or a portion thereof, right? Stop trying to call them because they don't answer the phone of people they don't recognize. Now that doesn't mean that they're not motivated. They don't even know it's you calling anyway, right? It's not like they're saying, oh, that's the realtor, I don't want to buy a house, I'm not going to answer the phone. They don't answer anybody's call. So what you can do, and this is a cool little trick for you here, I'm actually out here, I'm doing a blueprint day for a real estate agent tomorrow. We're in a full day consult. I'm out here walking the dog right now. Here's Honey, where we're outside a hotel walking the dog. And I was thinking about, you know, the high conversion rates that we're seeing here are coming from you becoming famous to those people. So old school real estate, if you've been selling real estate for 5-10 years, you know how important it is to, you know, build rapport with them and get them to know you, like you, trust you, all that stuff. But the problem is you can't get them on the phone. You can't meet them face to face. Here's what I want you to do. Take their phone number and their email address and you load it into Facebook custom audience. And then you can put ads and articles and things in front of them without talking to them on the phone or emailing them, or now I'm getting wrapped up with her while I'm trying to do this video for you. But you can get information in front of them on their Facebook news feed. So you can actually target them. As an example, the reason you're getting this video, you've watched my other videos before. So I can decide who gets this information. So you can take all of your old unconverted leads. You can search by phone number or by email by loading it into custom audience. Let me tell you how this works. So you can have 735 old leads. You take those email addresses, you put it into Facebook, and Facebook says, hey, you sent us 735. We found 680 of them that have a Facebook page attached to that email address, meaning they use that email address to log into their Facebook page. Would you like to advertise to them? Yes, I would. Let me put this article in front of them. Let me put this video in front of them to build trust, authority, and credibility. It can even be a simple ad that says just sold, but you're doing it online instead of a postcard. So hopefully that makes sense for you, but that's a really good way for you to convert your leads. Stop trying to call them. They don't want to answer the phone. Do you agree they didn't have their phone misplaced? Everybody has their phone on them. They take their phone to the bathroom with them. They chose not to answer. So you're going to call again? Bad idea. So what I want you to do is get the specific approach going for yourself where you can convert at a much, much higher level. Hopefully that makes sense for you there. Doreen, I saw your message here, Doreen. We did not get anything from you. You might need to fill that out again because I already called everybody. So you'll need to fill that out again if you are interested in us building that for you. But anyway, if you guys are looking to convert more business, this is how you do it. Stop the old school approaches, get in front of them with relevant information that makes sense for them. Hopefully that's helpful for you. If you want more tips on how you can actually grow your real estate business with better offers, you can go to getfastclosings.com. You'll see that in the description here somewhere. Again, getfastclosings.com. You'll see some really cool approaches. Honey's actually behaving. Now she's running away from us here. I'm scared we're going to get some alligators from the Florida pond in here, so she can't get too close. I'd hate to have to wrestle an alligator to save my own dog, huh? So anyway, load them into Facebook custom audience. Hit them up on their news feed. I think you'll find much better results. We'll talk to you soon, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.